Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
Alright, today I'm at Innisfail Magistrates Court. Client was charged with high range drink driving, reading at .168. Basically, worst case scenario, disqualification wise, is a lifetime loss of licence. Mandatory minimum is 6 months. Basically, my client, as much as he's concerned with his licence, he was a Canadian national who'd got into a civil partnership with an Australian. He was here on a partner visa, had intentions of seeking permanent residency, citizenship in due course. So as much as he was concerned about his disqualification, it was the recording of a conviction, meaning he wanted no conviction recorded. Drink driving is not a criminal matter, so even if there is a recorded conviction, it's not a criminal conviction. It's only ever a traffic conviction, which goes on your traffic history. But nonetheless, given he, as I said, was going to be seeking citizenship, etc. in due course, wanted no conviction recorded. Basically, it's not easy to get no conviction recorded because, you know, as I've sort of alluded, it doesn't have a great deal of real-world impact. If someone's got a criminal conviction, obviously it's a game changer. You know, it follows you everywhere, and every time you apply for a job or travel overseas, do you have any criminal history? Whereas, as I said, drink driving, because it's not a criminal offence, if you are asked if you've got criminal history, you still tick no, because it's not a criminal history. It's not a criminal matter. It's a traffic matter to be said in the same sentence as a speeding ticket. Nonetheless, when you're going through more detailed scrutiny, either by way of a visa application or you're trying to, I don't know, get admission to a professional body such as an accountant or a mechanical engineering body, you have to sort of satisfy those bodies that you're a fit and proper person, and those types of organisations can take a bit more of a broader interpretation of what a person's criminal history is. So even though legally a traffic matter is not a criminal matter, some organisations, when they refer to criminal history, they speak of any offence, irrespective of whether it's a criminal matter or not. Anyway, I'm sort of prattling on a bit. Short version is, yes, he needed his licence back ASAP, but more importantly, he wanted no conviction recorded. In preparation for trying to achieve that, I got my client to undertake 2 reformatory courses. Both can be done online. It's not just a case of looking at a YouTube video. It's quite a, with technology these days, if you don't do it properly, it's obvious and you don't get the relevant certificate. So he basically did about 12 hours of reformatory education online, watching seminars that are run in Southeast Queensland and answering questionnaires and the likes. I got him to get references based on a template that we provide our clients, and I drafted pretty detailed written submissions of case law of where persons with high range convictions, although it's not a common practice, were able to persuade the magistrate not to record a conviction. There's not much case law out there. I've got to dig deep to find it, but obviously I know where to look, and I don't want to hand up bundle upon bundle of documents to the magistrate, so I draft submissions to make it easy for the magistrate to follow, and I can guide the magistrate to the relevant dot points of my submissions. Look, the short version is I was successful in A, persuading the magistrate not to record a conviction, so there was no conviction recorded, and B, it's high range. As I said, worst case is a lifetime loss of licence, mandatory minimums 6 months. There was a bit of a fender bender, so that aggravated the matter, and the reading was .168, so high range starts at .15. That wasn't massively over .15, but it was still over it, and there was a fender bender, so I did push hard for the minimum 6 months, but ultimately I was able to persuade the magistrate to not go past 7 months. So 7 months disqualification, a modest fine, more importantly no conviction recorded. Clients relieved, very happy. I'm Andrew Wiseman, thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Andrew Wiseman from Wiseman Lawyers, Queensland's only truly dedicated drug, alcohol and traffic offence law firm. If you face loss of licence, loss of vehicle, imprisonment, or anything in between, at any court in Queensland, we can and will help you today. This is our specialty. This is all we do. Give us a call, 1300 947 352. I'll look forward to helping you resolve your issue today.
Don't face that court alone. Let the wise man